Hi, we are KCOSW. We'd like to show you how to place an order. Find our order board on the top of the page. Find the brand you want to order. Download the order list. Open the downloaded Excel file. Here's our order list. Fill up the information such as your name, address, email, and phone number. Don't forget to write a postal code. Put the order quantity on the cell of the product you want. Be careful here. For some brands, the order quantity must be matched with the box quantity. After filling up your order quantity, check the total amount based on wholesale price. Depending on your total wholesale amount, check and put the corresponding supplying rate. Send your order list to our email. We will check the list and get back to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.